Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Nikki here, and today I wanted to share with you this gorgeous little bit of happy mail that I got the other day. I'm part of the February and June Facebook group, and we organised a sticker swap, and it took over a month to get here, but this gorgeous little packet arrived. And I just wanted to show you how beautifully it was presented. And honestly, at the moment, these times, there are so many people still stuck at home. I mean, what a lovely thing to send to a friend who loves crafty things. Or, you know, organise one with your local planner or scrap girlfriends or something like that. It was just so much fun to receive. And there is so many goodies in here. I haven't even opened all the little packets yet. We're going to do that together now. I mean, have a look. Even this little envelope was actually made, I think, out of like a paper bag or something. But how cute is it? I did just put a little sticky note on there to hide my address. But look, let's have a look at all these goodies. There was a gorgeous little greeting card that even has pretty things stuck on it. Then there was these gorgeous pieces. Have a look at these beautiful mushrooms. Little ticket stickers. Let's have a nice day today. Two girlfriends who look as though they may have been in the wars, but that's what girlfriends do best, is look after each other when they have been. A little thank you card, a gorgeous little book label, another couple of labels, and then these 4 little cut aparts. Are they? Oh, they're actually even stickers. How cute is that? And then look at this, I've got all these cute little packets here. So this first packet is called Fauna. And it's all beautifully sealed up, and I want to try and open these as carefully as I can because I'd love to keep these little glassine bags. Not something you find easily here in Australia. Let's have a look. What's inside this little cute bag? Oh, look, I saved that one. So what have I got? Oh, look at these. These will be gorgeous come autumn next year. A little acorn, a little mushroom. They've both got gold foil on it. What else have we got here? Oh, more mushrooms, gorgeous flowers. These will be great for summer. Have a look at them, so pretty. Love them. I don't have these ones, so that's awesome. And then these cute little Christmas trees. Then the next gorgeous little pack is food. Oh, this one should be easy to open. It's only being held together with a tiny little sticker. Oh my gosh, there is lots of goodies in this one. Oh my gosh, have a look at this. This is just too cute. Oh, I wish I got happy mail like this every day. This is just the best. Oh my, look at this. Special days, that'll be perfect for our summer. There's some little cupcakes, bread, avocado. Oh, a gorgeous gold foiled sushi, some more bread, my favourite, coffee. Oh, more coffee. I've got those ones of which I've used most of them up, so I'm more than... Oh my gosh, look at these gorgeous ones. These coffee cups, they've both got gold foil on them. Oh, some little bottles of something nice and drinkable, tiny little fruits, tiny little sweet cakes, more coffee, watermelon. What do we got here? Oh, a very yummy looking bread roll, a pumpkin, onion, carrot. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Oh, a very, very pretty ice cream that even has some silver foil on it. Oh, coconuts, perfect for summer coming up. Actually, it feels like summer here today in Brisbane, I can tell you. Spring has hit fast. Oh, some gorgeous little cakes, donuts. Oh, look at this gorgeous sundae. Ice cream sundae, and that has silver foil on it. Oh, what's a food pack without some pizza and burgers and ice creams? And these are these lovely thin, washi strip style paper, which I love using in journals because they don't make things so bulky. French fries, a gorgeous little lollipop, and some more sushi. Love it. Oh my gosh, this is just too cute. Now, the next one, this is fauna. I think there might, oh, now how do I not break this one? Okay, we'll have to do this very carefully because I really don't want to break these. These are just so cute and I would happily reuse them in my journals. So we're just going to gently prise this open. Look at the effort gone into this though. Oh no, I have slightly torn it. Okay, never mind. I will resurrect that by sticking it back down once I have got the goodies out from inside. Or maybe we've just lost this one. I'm not sure about that. But never mind, that's okay. Oh, look, I'm sure with a bit of sticking we can do something with that one. Let's have a look what's in here. I'm just going to gently stick that back down. So, what have I got? Oh my gosh, how cute is that seal? Oh, he's very cool. Oh, and a walrus. And a big woolly oxen? I'm not sure what that is. One of those big things. Some cute little puppy dogs, bunny rabbits, very pretty little birdies. Oh, look at all these gorgeous little birds. They'll be perfect for some spring journaling with some watercolour backgrounds. Oh my gosh, very cute. I love those. And another parcel. What's this one? Oh, these are, stationery. Now, that's my favourite thing. And have a look at that gorgeous, it looks like a wax seal sticker. Oh, this is just the best. Honestly, this was just the best thing I have received in a long time. So, what have we got here? We have a cute little paper clip. Some tiny little seals type stickers, airmail, important, open immediately, fragile, don't crush, cute little film strip, a little photo frame, another little photo frame with a camera on it. Oh, look at this gorgeous tag, even has foiling. Oh, wow. This is beautiful. It's like old books with a fountain pen. Again, with gold foiling. I'd love to know where she got all these from. They're gorgeous. Some great little number spots. Can never have enough tags. A nice plain round tag. And we've got, oh, a cute little stamp arrangement. Oh, hang on. We've dropped these little tiny things. What are, oh, they're so cute. Have a look at this. More paper clips, a little push pin, and tiny little pegs. Oh, this is unbelievable. And stamped, and another stamp, another 2 labels with blue borders, a plain border label, and then this gorgeous, oh, they are too, they're like washi strips, travel related, my favourite thing. Oh, this is unreal. And then there's one left, and it's called Lucky Dip. Have a look at this gorgeous little envelope. I wonder what on earth is in here. Oh, there's lots of things in here. Hang on. Okay. Oops, I've dropped one. Oh my gosh, just in time for some Halloween planning. There's a cute ghost with a pumpkin. Oh, a little bit more Halloween. We've got a little purple devil. And we've got Trick or Treat. And a cute girl. Oh my gosh, ready to go travelling. I wish I could, but we can't just yet. Oh, a little jazzy cityscape with silver foiling. A little vintage bike. Snoopy. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen anything Snoopy in for ages. In a long, long, long time. I used to love Snoopy. We've got a couple of Snoopy ones. They're very cute. We've got some tickets, a travel baggage label. Oh, wow, and look at these. A vintage skull section, a torso, and, oh my gosh, just all the bones. And then finally, a brain. Wow, honestly, that is just the most amazing collection. And just think, together with a few little envelopes or just little baggies or something, you could bring this much joy to someone that you know that loves a paper crafting. I just have to find some more people to send things to now, because this is just so much fun, and especially for people in lockdown. Can you imagine how much fun they would have with all these goodies, because they can't even get out to the shops to go and buy things. I hope you enjoyed this video, got a little bit of inspiration from it. If you're new to this channel, I'd love you to subscribe. Plenty more crafty and plannery things coming up down the track. And if you did enjoy this video, please hit the thumbs up button. I would really appreciate it. Now, until my next video, take care, stay safe, and happy crafting. Bye for now.